I hope it doesn't rain today. You think it's gonna rain?
I'm gonna look on the weather. That means maybe 30%. Proposed weather.
30%?
9 p.m. cloudy, 10 p.m. cloudy, 11 p.m. It's a possible rain.
Buy me for later.
Yeah, for later.
So where you buy those?
Getting by the box, you know,
Which part?
I'm placed in Baltimore. We got to GK.
Oh, Baltimore you gonna buy it?
Yeah, my Virgin work there in Canada come. We just begging buy them for me.
Oh, okay.
And them supply all red apple them. Red
Ah.
apple them sell in Caribbean too, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But them say this a little pack.
Mm-hmm.
And we will sell for about $5. $5.
Oh. Well, go on, Virgin. Yeah. You good? Yeah, you're good, man. You're good. Yeah, you can be in the video, no problem. Yeah. So as you see, ladies and gentlemen, Gong is putting on the pork on the grill. And hey, Gong, these are some big piece of pork, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut them up, you know. I'm gonna cut them up in like 2 and 3 inch.
Oh.
The grill them. Yeah. Cut them up. I will cut them up to small.
So tell me the process with the jerk pork now. How you really get it ready?
Yeah, man. Chop them up, slice them up, cut them on a 2 inch slice.
No, before that, how you prepare it?
That's the first thing we prepare.
Oh, okay.
Slice them up.
Yeah.
And they put them come in like leg, whole leg.
Oh.
Slice it up.
Oh, okay.
Chop it up with my chopper. Coming on a saw. I meat saw. But I slice him up down, I wash him down with my vinegar and stuff. Well, sorry you never get to see that part there. Wash him down with my vinegar and season him up, rosemary and them thing there. Yeah, rosemary and my regular season, jerk season, and then I half cook him,
I can't hear it from here.
And then we half cook it in the pot like how you like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll cook it. Yeah. I'll cook it in the pot like this. So now I put him on the grill.
Oh, okay.
Put him on the grill and everything gets cold. Hard work.
Yeah.
This one now, you have to watch him because this one bring a lot of oil and the oil blaze up the fire.
Oh, yeah.
As soon as you flat down the grill. Yeah, just flat down the grill.
Mm.
And the oil, pork bring a lot of oil in, so the oil has blaze up the grill.
Oh yeah, so the pork produce a lot of oil, so
Yeah,
it get into the coal,
cool, yeah.
then it
blaze.
start to blaze up.
Yeah. I don't want the blaze.
When it blaze up, what you have to do? Throw water upon it?
Throw water upon it.
Okay.
Or beer.
Beer.
Yeah, to keep the wind in the down. The blazing.
Mm. Speaking of beer, maybe I have to go out there and me get that 6-pack of Red Stripe. There's a Red Stripe out there? Them sell Red Stripe out there?
Oh, that's all?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's a rough time for them.
Mm. You see, for Jamaica, you there? You wanna give the pig that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, a pig food that a waste now. Yeah. Like in the country, everybody have a pig.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, not everybody, but you know. Yeah. Not so much like first time. First time, almost every yard in the country have a pig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to boil them feeding for them.
Yeah, man, you boil them feeding. And
And drink all the soup, the water.
yeah, man, everything not go for waste. And when you peel, well, you're a town man, you don't know about anything there.
You know, my grandfather used to do everything them, man. My uncle did after it now.
Oh,
Just let me see when him do them thing
the
there.
yam skin or the banana skin.
Yeah, chop up all breadfruit.
Chop up breadfruit.
I boil it, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to say, him carry the pig go a river to a pig like beard, you know.
Yes, man.
Him can go a river, man.
Mm-hmm. Pig love the water, you know.
Yeah, man.
Mm. Yeah. Like in my yard, always have a pig. Mama always raise pig.
Oh, granny.
Yeah, granny too, but mama.
Oh, your mother.
Yeah, she always have pig.
Oh.
I never really see her raise goat. I don't know why.
Like,
Maybe the goat you have to take him out, carry him out to go find grass.
I like goat, you know.
Yeah, but she always have pig.
No,
Yeah, it seems like the pork will burn quick though. Too. It will burn quick, not too?
Blaze up, yeah, blaze up the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, for watch it.
So out of pork and chicken, which one would you say easier to jerk? Chicken. Cause the pork you have to give more attention.
Yeah, and it take longer.
And it take long. Oh, okay.
Chicken no take no long to jerk it.
Yeah. So this is what you call backyard cooking, jerk chicken, jerk pork. Gonna boil some soup too. You cook the rice yet?
No, I have time, man.
Yeah.
When I come until I was 5, 6 or something.
Yeah.
If I keep them hard and low. I want to cook them so early, you know?
Yeah.
Just want to get the pork out of the way.
Pork out of the way, yeah.